wonderful people, great Biafran, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill all over the world. As another rightly know, my name is Ife One or One More Biafra. If it's your first time when you come across this YouTube channel, follow this YouTube channel, subscribe to the notification bell so that you will get notified each time I upload new videos. A very quick one, my people. They go through some comments for the comment session concerning this Zoo's 61 anniversary when they want to celebrate very, very soon. When IPOB don't give the command of total lockdown on that very day, no movement in the whole of Biafra land, and every flag that have to do with the damnable Republic of Nigeria, say we will bring all the flag down because there is a way to treat people like the damnable Republic government, because they are proving to us say as it is now, nobody reach them. Say they get power to trample on anybody or get power to trample on us. We don't want take violence the way that today they take violence, because we are very law abiding people. So we are taking it upon ourselves to make sure say we give the law of sister tone when we say we want a lockdown that day, and every flag we get to do with the zoo government will be brought down. As for those of una when they try to share yourself up, or when they try to make yourself feel happy concerning the lockdown wey we don talk about, when they let us know say make we take the fight go Abuja. This video na to let every one of una know say there is nothing like take any fight go Abuja. Abuja is not our territory. Our territory is in Biafra land. Our territory is between Biafra, between the eastern region. That is how we let una know every day. When we are talking or we are fighting for Biafra, we dey fight, we dey talk with every strength when they our blood, with everything we got. Because we dey talk every day. We are not here to take Oduduwa land, which is the Yoruba people. We are not here to take over the Kwarafa people, which is the Middle Belt. We are not also here to take over the Arewa people, which is the people in the north. So save yourselves from stress and try to wake up or realize the reality that is before you, or accept the reality that is before you. Trying to refer us, go to Abuja and fight, and this is not where Buhari is, this is where the Nigerian government, federal government is. There's nowhere in the world where people they fight for freedom, when they take the fight, they go wherever, where not be their territory. Where the people they fight for, the independent, where people they fight for, not to claim over their territory. Just like the people of, what do they call them? The people of Amazonia. Amazonia did not go to eastern Cameroon or northern Cameroon. No, they're there for southern Cameroon. For that place, they fight their fight. Bring the fight, come for their house. Then they will teach, they will show you what they are made of. So we are not ignorant of what we are doing. So someone start to share ourselves up with all those irrelevant comments, because those comments, in as far as I'm concerned, they are irrelevant comments. We know what we are doing. On that very day, the whole of Biafra is going to be shut down. It's going to be total lockdown. Whether you like it or not, whether I want cry out river, or I want cry out Mediterranean Sea, or I want cry out social, it concern. We they use this opportunity also to urge the whole bank in Biafra land. Mona do the needful. We are very law-abiding people. Do the needful by taking down the whole of flag when they for on a bank, for the zoo flag when they for on a bank. Mona do the needful by taking it down. As it is today, they say the children of God are suffering violence, and the violent one they take it by force. We are ready to take our freedom by force. It not go stop for you. Very soon there will not be youth service in Biafra land. Sooner there will not be youth service. Sooner there will not be anything that have to do with Nigeria operative governor, those things. Very, very soon there will not be anything like that, because as it is now, we don't see and say the federal government of the zoo value bandits more than even normal people who are law abiding. Every day the country they invade people, even for Sokoto today, they invade what did they call them? They invade army barrack, and many killed. So nobody will go after them. These are bandits who operate freely. They are human beings. They have where they live. No, they live for thing here. Nobody go after them. So we don't see and say the federal government, they don't understand what they call peace, or they don't understand what they call make we do them gently. So we have taken it upon ourselves to take our destiny, our future in our hand by doing away with everything that have to do with the Zoo Republic. So now, yeah, for to end the talk, stop sharing yourself up with comments. Abuja is not our territory. Our territory is the eastern region of the Damnable Republic, and we are Biafrans. Thank you. Until I come on our way again, my name is Efe Ugwanowo, Omote Biafra, one of Biafra land. All hail Biafra.